Today we're going to be installing new RAM in an early 2011 MacBook Pro. I got this RAM from Crucial, and I'm also going to be using a grounding strap from the guys at iFixit. We're going to use that just to be safe. Figured $8 was a worthy investment. So here we got the grounding strap, we got the RAM, and we got the MacBook. So we're going to go ahead and take it apart. This really probably is not necessary, especially this time of year, but as I said before, my thinking on this one is better safe than sorry. So here we go, we're going to flip this over. There's 10 different screws here on the bottom of this laptop. There are two different sizes. This is a long screw. These are the short screws. So there's 3 long screws, 1, 2, 3, and then the rest of these are short. The 4 back ones come out straight up, and the ones on the side come up at an angle. Okay, that's all the screws. And now, be careful, it pops open. We'll see about getting this RAM out. Now there's 2 little arms here that we're going to pop loose. Out pops the RAM. Now you want to be careful and pick it up by the notches and kind of pull it out at an angle. Let's see if we can get the bottom one out. Yep. This one's a little bit more difficult. Alright, so now we're going to go with the RAM from Crucial. So we're going to put the bottom one in. Just kind of angle it in, holding it by the notches. Push it down past the first one and into the second one. It just kind of clicks in there. Go with the second one. So there we go, we've installed the RAM. So now it's time to put the cover back on. So we're going to go the bottom. Start with these big screws here in the back. Tighten the rest of the way up. Now for the important part. See if it'll come on. It works.
That'd be lovely.
All the kids are looking back here. As usual.
Because we're awesome. What else?
See how it's cutting it? See? See?
Yeah,
See?
cutting. Yeah.
Are you done yet?
I'm working on it.